Okay, so this is pretty much the content of the box. You get AAA battery holder, 18650 battery holder. This is the switch. There is 3 brightness modes, high, medium and low, which can be accessed by pressing it slightly. And there are 2 emergency modes, one is the SOS mode and one is a Morse code mode. This is the tactical LED light that you get from the box. So this has zoom in and zoom out modes, which you do it like this. It has a 10 watt LED bulb and this is the optical zoom. It is pretty small. I think it can be a pocket flashlight just for emergencies. So they claim it to be water resistant, so I have not really tested it. So why don't we test the brightness first?